There are many ways to cook chicken. Like us in the Philippines, we cook it as adobo, tinola, afritada, menudo, and different other menu. And for today, I am going to cook for you pininyahang manok sa gata or chicken, pineapple, and coconut milk stew. Let's prepare the chicken first. I do have a chicken breast in here, but you can use any chicken parts if you would like to. I'm just using this one because this is all what I've got in my fridge, and the people that I'm cooking for this doesn't eat chicken with bones. So I choose the chicken breast without bone. You have to cut it into small slices so that it will be easy to cook later. And then set it aside. Now for the pineapple, we will separate the pineapple juice from its fruit and set the fruit aside. That is to be used later. In the pineapple juice, put the chicken breast, soak it and marinate it for 30 to 60 minutes. Now for the other ingredients, I have here some carrots and potato. We'll peel this out, slice this into small pieces, and we have to make sure that they are on the same more likely sizes so that when it's cooking, they will be cooked evenly. These are also the potatoes that I have in my kitchen, so it is difficult to peel, but I have to make do of it. Putting carrots and potato in water keep its color when it's cooking. I also have here a red bell pepper and also a yellow one. This will enhance the color of my food and also for the taste of it. Bell pepper is also rich in vitamin C, which is good for our immune system and also for our health. We will not also miss as part of our ingredients the basic, which is the garlic and the onion. Let's start the cooking. If you are interested to cook this menu, just follow the steps in this video. Set aside the marinate pineapple juice because that is to be used later. Friends, if this video and my other videos resonate to you, please consider to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated to my future video uploads. Continue watching because at the end of this video, I wrote down the list of the ingredients that I have used. Now it's tasting time, but this menu is best eaten with rice. So let's have it. Thank you for watching, friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until the next one. Bye for now.